The Filipino word mabilis means quickly or fast. Mabilis. Mabilis na nagbago ang panahon. The weather changed quickly. So mabilis is fast, bago is like new or changed, and then panahon is the weather. Mabilis na nagbago ang panahon. Mabilis niyang inakyat ang hagdan. It means he or she climbed the stairs quickly. So mabilis is fast, niya is he or she. Akyat means to climb, and then a hagdan is a stair. Mabilis niyang inakyat ang hagdan. Huwag kang kumain ng mabilis. It means don't eat quickly. So huwag is don't, ka is you. Kain means like eat, and mabilis is fast. Huwag kang kumain ng mabilis. Mabilis siyang mag-isip kapag may problema. In English, it means he or she thinks fast when there is a problem. So mabilis is fast, siya is he or she. Mag-isip, it means to think kapag if there is, and then a problema is a problem. Mabilis siyang mag-isip kapag may problema. Once again, the Filipino word mabilis means quickly or fast. Mabilis.